Hello all. In this video, I'll guide you how to split a work order into multiple work orders. We have brought a new feature of splitting a work orders into multiple work order while creating a process. So to demonstrate, I'll first create an order confirmation and I'm entering a quantity of 10 and I've created a OC. So against this OC, a work order will be automatically generated. So you can go to production module. Under work order page, you can see the work order which I have created now at the quantity of 10. So I can select the checkbox and I can select start process. So before creating multiple work orders, we have to ensure to disable this mark complete option. And you can enter the partial quantity which you want to produce now based on your requirement. So I have entered as 4 and I have submitted this production order. So after this, you can check in the same work order page itself as a two work orders against the same document number with the order type of partial. So you can check 4 quantity has been created now and created the PID also, and balance remaining 6 quantity is still in the open stage. So you can see the process stage is open for this particular item with a quantity of 4 and open for this work order at a quantity of 6. So again, if you want to create a work order, means production ID against the 6 quantity, means you can select the checkbox and you can start the process with the same document number. This is how a splitting of multiple work orders works. I hope this video finds helpful for you. Thank you.